Just omelette. Which dessert are the ingredients? 1 pint of wheat flour, 2 eggs, cheese, salt, water. Preparation. Take a recipient, we put water, salt to taste, eggs, and cheese. We beat it well until it is thick. With the spoon, take a little bit and put it in the pan. We wait for the to fry, and when it is, we put it on a plate to serve and eat. Thank you.